Welcome to APS International Money Transfer. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to send money to the Gambia using the APS Wallet Cash Pickup service. Step 1. Open your APS app. Click Login. Enter your username, which is the email address you used during registration. Then, input your password. Click Login. On the home page, select APS Wallet Cash Pickup. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will automatically calculate the amount in Gambian dollars for you. Click Next. Enter your beneficiary's details. Click Add a beneficiary. First, enter your beneficiary's mobile number. The system will check if the number is already registered with the APS wallet. If it is, the registered person's full name will appear. Click Next. A pop-up notification will appear, allowing you to confirm or edit the details. If the name doesn't match your intended beneficiaries, click Edit to update the mobile number. Remember, you can't change the displayed name, but you can enter a new mobile number to proceed. Always verify the registered mobile number with your beneficiary. Even if they don't have an APS wallet, ask them to provide their preferred active number. Click Next. Select your preferred payment option and complete the transaction. Bingo! Your transaction is successful and the money has been sent to your beneficiary's APS wallet. If you realize you've entered the wrong mobile number, contact APS customer service immediately before the wrong beneficiary collects the money. You can reach our customer service team using the numbers displayed on your screen. If your beneficiary is in the Gambia, they can also call the wallet customer support on 1155 toll-free. Thank you for choosing APS Money Transfer. You approve, we serve.